Hello everyone, my name is Katantri Ardia Pramesti and here I will discuss about minimal pairs and Tanji Dwester material. Number 1, P, B, P, B, pet, bed, pet, bed, move, 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 move. Number 2, fine, fame, fine, fame, fine, fame, live, leave, live, leave, sick, sick, zip, zip, bus, bus, buzz, buzz. And the next, number 4, that is cheap, cheap, jeep, jeep, cheap, cheap, jeep, jeep, mate, 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 beige, 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 beige. And the next, cow, cow, goat, goat, cow, cow, goat, goat, bake, 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 bake. And the next, number 6, that is thin, thin, tan, tan, thin, thin, tan, tan, bed, 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 tan, tan, den, den, tan, tan, den, den, hat, 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 hat. And number 8, there is sheep, 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 rush, rush, roach, roach. Number 9 is light, light, right, right, light, light, right, right, bill, bill, beer, burr, beer, 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 beer. And the next explanation, number 1, in this pair, pet, pet, bed, bed, and move, move. The difference is in voicing. P is voiceless and B is voicing. Challenging, many speakers replace B with P at the end. For example, adab, adab. Number 2, fine, fame versus fine, fine, live, leave, live, leave. Differ in voicing. F is voiceless, V is voiced. Both are labiodental fricative product with the bottom lip and two teeth. Number 3, S versus Z. Differ in voicing. S is voiceless and Z is voiced. Both are alveolar fricative made with the tongue near the alveolar ridge. And number 4, Ch versus G. Ch, G, match, beach. These are voicing contrasts. For Ch is voiceless and J is voiced. Both are post-alveolar affricative made by stopping airflow then releasing it. Number 5, coat, cow, goat, gout, big, 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 big. Voicing K is voiceless and G is voiced. Both are velar plosive product at the back of the mouth. Back of the mouth. Okay. Number 6, thin, thin. Bat, bat. Voicing T is voiceless and D is voiced. Both are dental fricative product with the tongue G against the teeth. Challenge this. Challenge. The sound don't exist in many languages. Learners often say T or D instead. Number 7, T versus D. Ten, ten. Then, then. Head, head. Head, head. Voicing T is voiceless and D is voiced. Both are alveolar plosive. Challenge final D can sound like T due to native language interference. Number 8, sheep versus rush, roach. Voicing S is voiceless and J is voiced. Pronounce this tongue twister. Number 1, a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook. Who could cook cookies? Number 1, a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook. Who could cook cookies? A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook. Who could cook cookies? Number 2, charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Number 3, silly zebra share shush and sang soft song. Silly zebra share shush and sang soft song. Silly zebra share shush and sang soft song. And the last, Tim told Tina to take the whole toy to dance desk. Tim told Tina to take the whole toy to dance desk. In the next explanation script. 1. Contrast sound and articulation. First, tongue twister. K versus G. K is voiceless velar plosive as in ku, cookies. And then G is voiced velar plosive as in good. For the place is velar, back of the tongue against soft palate. Voicing K has no vocal cord vibration. G does. For second tongue twister, Ch versus J. For the Ch is voices. Both are velar affricate as in charming, cheerfully, And then J is voiced post-alveolar affricate as in judges and Joe. Voicing J is voiceless and J is voiced. Neither both are affricate, a stop followed by a fricative. Third kanji twice turn. S, Z, and S. S is voiceless alveolar fricative as in silly, sang, song. And then Z is voiced alveolar affricative as in zebras. And the last S is voiceless post-alveolar fricative as in shirt and shoes. These fricatives are produced by forcing or through a narrow contraction. Voicing and place differ. And then number 2, why does sound matter? These minimal pairs help distinguish meanings. For example, cook versus good. Change in voicing change the word. Cheer versus jeer. Ch and j. Contrast can alter intent. Positive versus negative. Zip versus zip. Ship versus ship. Different fricative completely shift word meaning. In real communication, confusing this could cause misunderstanding. Number 3, first language influence. Optional. Adapt this depending on your first language. For example, if your first language is Indonesian, voiced, voiceless, contrast like P versus B or K versus G exist, but a fricate like Ch and J might not be as clearly distinguished. Indonesian may also not use S and Z often, so learners might substitute them with more familiar sound like S.